What's your name?
My name is Utpal Roy. Utpal Roy.
Utpal Roy. But
Yeah,
your ID is Chalo Dekhi. I was wondering what name could it be?
yeah. I just chalo dekhi, but it's not my real name. Real name is Utpal Roy.
So
My
tell me.
picture is visible.
Yes, yes, you are visible. Tell me
Yeah.
about yourself.
Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Utpal Roy. I am from Dakshin Dinajpur, basically, but
Last.
now currently Dakshin Dinajpur of West Bengal state.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Currently, I am staying Alipurduar district for my job purpose, and I have done my I have done my graduation 2017. After that,
You completed your graduation in 2017.
yeah, from North Bengal University in geology subject.
Okay.
Yeah. After that, I did B.Ed degree 2019.
B.Ed.
B.Ed degree, Bachelor of Education.
Okay.
After that, now I am doing the job, police job.
But B.Ed is done for teaching purpose, right?
Yeah. But right now I have no recruitment in our state, so that's why I joined police after
So they were not recruiting teachers. That is why you joined police force.
police force. Yeah.
So you are a sub-inspector.
No, ma'am. I'm a constable of West Bengal Police.
You are constable of West Bengal Police. Okay.
Yeah.
So are you loving your job?
I I'm loving but right now, but first of all, this job is I can't accept in my mind in my I mean actually my dream job is teacher. So that's why
Okay, okay. So you are enjoying this job because your mind is not able to accept that you have become a officer instead of becoming a teacher, which has been your dream.
yeah.
So if you had become a teacher, what would you have taught? What did you want to teach?
Uh, actually, government teacher. I want to lab. I want to join this upcoming future, but presently I'm preparing for job. Teaching job, but I don't know how can possible it. Presently, I have no recruitment.
Now you are preparing for teaching exams.
Yeah,
So what
yeah.
subject do you want to teach?
Oh, okay. Biology. Actually I'm geology student, so that's why I have to teach biology.
Okay, you like biology.
Yeah.
Okay. You can do one thing. Whenever you catch someone, doing a crime on road, then you start teaching them biology. Then in that case, your teaching dream will also come true.
Yeah. I don't know I'm good or not, but always I want to solve matter in our society.
How long have you been working as a constable?
I have been doing the job for 5 years.
Oh, even after 5 years, you are not able to enjoy this job. You still want to become a teacher. Oh my God.
5 years. I joined this job to 2019. I mean before Corona.
Okay. Before COVID started. Okay.
Yeah, before COVID start. And my family background also 5 members. My parents, my elder brother, and daughter-in-law, and me.
Okay. They are all in the village?
Yeah. Village also.
Okay. And here you stay alone.
Yeah, I'm having a stay alone with my colleague.
Okay. With your colleague. You didn't get married.
No,
Okay.
I'm not married.
You're sharing your room with your colleague
Yeah. That's why now I am in the roof.
on the rooftop. You are now doing this conversation from the rooftop.
Rooftop because my colleague are there. I mean they are.
He was sleeping.
Now I just woke up. Today I woke up little bit late, so that's why.
Oh, you
Because
woke up.
yesterday I was a night duty, so I just wake up little bit late
Okay.
morning.
Let's correct this. Yesterday I was on night duty. That is why I woke up late today. You can say I woke up late today because I was on night duty yesterday. right?
Yeah.
How's the weather?
Now this weather is very clean and not cloudy. A little bit cloudy, but very clean weather and
Okay,
sunlight also.
clear. And is it cold?
Little bit.
Tell me, what is your job profile as a constable? What all do you do every day? You get weekly off?
Weekly off?
Weekly off, Saturday, Sunday.
Weekly off? No, 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 no. Police job is also not weekly off.
Okay.
It, no holiday, no any vacation.
Okay. So, what is your job profile?
Job profile, I mean, basically three times duty hours: morning duty, evening duty, and night duty. Morning duty we started. I start 8 to 2 p.m. 8 o'clock morning, 8 o'clock to 2 p.m.
Morning duty starts from 8 o'clock and ends
Eight
at 2
o'clock.
o'clock.
After that, evening duty start 2 o'clock and end of 10 o'clock.
Duty starts. You have to put S because it is present indefinite tense. Evening duty starts at 2 o'clock and
Two
ends
o'clock.
at 10 p.m. 2 to 10. In those 8 hours, what do you do? Do you sit in the office or you stay on the road?
Stay in office duty.
And what do you do in the office?
Doing the office. I'm basically lots of duty. I have lots of duty in office, in police office. I mean, your police line look like a police station. So office duty also, not traffic
Come
duty.
and, come and bring their complaints.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So you note down everything.
Actually, this is my not actually just official duty. It was a officer officer's work, but it's not my work. My work is a computer, basically computer typing and data preparing, lots of work.
Okay. So your work is processing the data on the computer.
Yeah, yeah,
Some reports and give it to your seniors.
yeah, yeah,
You have done computer course.
yeah. I have completed 1 year's diploma course.
So you get bored in this job. For your family, when you go to the village, do you like it there?
Yeah, obviously, because I'm a village boy, so that's why I have to always I have to go village, but it's not possible every time.
You feel you like it better in the village.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Better in the village.
And you and your roommate, do you
Yeah.
go for outings and do you go out together on movies or restaurants or something like that?
It's now sometimes, but not regular every month or every week.
Once in a while, because you don't get off.
No, no. Basically, when I have a duty, so another colleague are there. I mean, in their no duty, so it's not suitable time for travel.
Sometimes he is on duty, at that time you are free, and when you are on duty, then he is free. So it's
Yeah,
difficult for you to be free at the same time.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. And what does your roommate do? Is he also a police officer?
Yeah, police constable,
He
not
also
officer.
police constable.
Yeah, yeah,
You both police constable and you are both sharing a room.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
great.
yeah. I have three colleagues in my room, so
All of you are constables.
yeah, yeah. And officer room is also another room. I mean, not one room, different
Okay.
room.
Why do you want to become fluent in English?
Basically, I'm just preparing for speaking, but I don't know how can possible, how can fluent.
You are preparing, you need to become fluent in English, but you don't know how to become fluent in English, right?
Yeah, yeah. But I have been practicing last for the last 4 months, yeah, 6 months, 4 to 6 months from YouTube. But I don't know how can possible it. Can you solve? I mean, can you suggest me, ma'am?
Okay, how can possible? This is a wrong line. I don't know how can it be possible. How can it be possible? So how can possible is wrong. I don't know how can it be possible.
How
How to
can it?
learn English and how to become fluent in English. I don't know how can it be possible. Okay.
Yeah,
So you don't know how to start that, right? You have to try to speak English as much as possible. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. SL. The other one is listening. Listening is very important. watch English videos, movies, interviews, serials, anything that you like. And R is reading. Read English content. When you are sitting on your desk and doing work on computer, do you get a little free time? Yeah. So you can keep some books with you and you can keep reading them whenever you get some free time. It can be story books, you can read magazines, newspapers, whatever you want.
Yeah.
And last one is write. W. W means write for at least 5 to 10 minutes every day. Write something. What I did today, all day. How was my day? Anything that you want. So if you focus on all these every day and spend some time on it, then you will become fluent. Tell me something interesting which you did in your constable job.
Interesting part. I mean, and I have go to outside duty. I mean field duty. That time very interesting with any other people.
When you go out on field duty, then it becomes interesting because you meet
Yeah,
people. Yeah,
meet
tell me.
people and another people asking lots of questions and lots of. So I want to love to travel and I want to love another people talking. I mean conversation. So it is obviously love to
Interesting.
say this is interesting.
Other people talk to you in English and you also talk to them, then it becomes interesting, right?
One time I was my field duty before 1 month ago. That Tamil Nadu driver, truck driver, he is talking English, not Hindi, not Bengali. So I just shocked. Oh my God, what can be possible?
He was
Yeah,
Tamil Nadu
yeah,
truck driver.
yeah. He
Okay.
was a Tamil Nadu truck driver. He was talking English, and I checking their I mean papers, car papers, truck papers. So that
Yeah.
time talking in English, I just thought, oh my God, he's a driver, but English.
The truck driver was speaking English and you were wondering, oh my god, it's a truck driver
Yeah,
and he's speaking
yeah,
English. How
yeah,
come?
yeah, yeah. So that time I was not right now fluent. I was not fluent, but I speak little bit English. So I just overcome this situation. But that day, I promised I will try.
Okay.
I will improve my speaking. So that's why.
Okay. That day you were not able to speak English with the truck driver, but you
Yeah.
somehow managed. And that day
Amen.
you decided that I
Yeah.
would English and I would become fluent, whatever it takes. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And when you go to your village, do all people, do village people say, see, Inspector Sahab has come? Do they say that?
Actually, village people they are not higher educated, so they are also thinking he is a officer, he is a police constable, so highest. I mean, level is the highest, but it is not look like.
Yeah, actually, inspector or anybody in the police force, they generally get more respect.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because they are sharing always law. I mean, in case IPCC, IPC, so it's a
They fear them because they have done nothing wrong. Even then, people are scared of them.
obviously
Are you also scared of police officers now?
no.
You are yourself a constable now. But earlier, would you fear policemen?
Yeah, yeah, obviously. Because the first time when I joined this job, first day I went police station. So first time I scared in police officers. So after that now it is not.
Okay. So that was your first day when you went to office first day. Then you were scared of the police officer sitting there. But now you become used to it. Do you want to talk about anything else?
Now I can't remember.
Nothing comes to your mind, right?
Yeah,
Okay. This is a lovely conversation and all the best to you. You will definitely become fluent and will not face problems when you encounter another person who speaks in English, like that Tamil Nadu truck driver.
yeah. It was a memorable time. I can't
Yeah.
forget.
Okay, then. It was a lovely conversation. I really enjoyed talking to you. I
Uh,
actually forgot your name,
name is Utpal, right?
Utpal Roy. Okay, Utpal. Bye bye.
Okay.
Happy New Year.
Thanks for being with me. Happy New Year.